Good evening. I am going to solve with you ICT past paper database variant February-March 2024. Let's start. You are now going to prepare some reports. Make sure that all the currency display the same currency symbol and are set to two decimal places. Examine the file games and identify the most appropriate field to set as primary key. So let's open the games. We know like that the primary key should be unique, means it's not repeated. So how to know which field here is the primary key? Again, the primary key should not be repeated. For example, here, this field which is released here is not going to be primary key because like some see some we have 2014 here, 2014, so the values are repeated, right? So it's not going to be primary key because the primary key again should be unique. So how to know? You need like to check all the fields one by one, but it is like long. So how to make sure which one is the most suitable field to be primary key? There is a way in the Excel to know which field is repeated. Okay, so just highlight the whole values. Okay, in the file. Yeah, now go to the conditional formatting. Okay, I selected all the values. Go to the conditional formatting. A new rule. I need only to select format only unique or duplicate values. Make sure like to change their colors so they will appear if they are duplicated. Can you see now? So the here, for example, game in the first columns where we have some values which are repeated. Okay, so this field is not going to be primary key. Same for release year. We have values which are repeated. Same for generation code. Game code here, we don't have any values which is repeated. Can you see here? Just go and check all of the values. They are not repeated. So I think it is the most appropriate field to be primary key. Let's check the others. Age code repeated, game publisher repeated, price, console, platform, global, rank. Just have a look over rank. It's also, we have some values which are repeated. So from here, we can see like the field which is code here. Game code is a field which is suitable to be primary key. Game code, okay? Close and don't save. So we got the primary key. Now let's create, I already created folder over the desktop. I named it working area. I will create here, right click, go to the new, create access file. You can change the name, but it's not important. Table content. Okay, now we need like to start to export, sorry, to import the files. So let's start with the games. Go to the external data, text file, browse. The name of the file is games. So we saved it in the working area. As I told you, I created folder over the desktop. I named it working area. It's in February here. Here is my source file and the file is games. Okay. Leave here the default values. Next. Here you have to tick the first row contain the fields names. Next. Just have a look over the data type. The first field should be text. It doesn't matter if it is long text or short text. The most important point to be text. The second field, which is released here, is number. It is integer, so it is integer here. Integer with zero decimal place. The other fields, text. You can see they are text. The price is currency. We can adjust it from here or from the design view later, but let me adjust it from here to be currency. Console type and platform text. And the last two fields here is double, which is decimal. We have two decimal places, and the last one is integer. So nothing to change here. And next, make sure that you choose the primary key, and we say that the primary key is the game code, and finish. Close. Now open the file in the design view to adjust the data type. Here it is number with 0 decimal place. So the number of decimal place here is 0. Okay. For the price, it is currency, and we have two decimal places. So leave it, remove the auto and make it two decimal places. And same for number here for the global sales, it should be two decimal places. Two. Sorry, delete the auto and set two. And set the identified field as primary key, save the data, place in your evidence screenshot showing the face names. Yeah. So we have to open the snipping tool, new, and just take screenshot for the step number 11. Step number 11. Here. So here we go. Just save and close. Save, then close. Okay. Now import the file classifications. Again, repeat the same steps. External data, text file, classification. Okay. Next, use the field names and the data types provided and each code as primary key. So just here, make sure to tick the first row contain the field names. Next, the primary key is the each code. Next, and finish. Close, and they want screenshot showing the face names. So here, right click design view, take screenshot. Paste it, paste it in the evidence file. Step 12. Import genre. So save and close here. Go to the external data and import the last file, which is genre. Use the field names and data type provided, and the gen code is the primary key. First row contains the field names. Yeah, gen code. Next, and finish. Also, they want evidence for step number 13. Okay, so open the genre in the design view, take screenshot, paste it here, Ctrl V, and that's it. Now I think they want me like to create the relationship, save and close. Close. Okay, now, sorry. Yeah, create one to many relationships. So relationships, highlight all of them, add them, close, make this one like larger. Now, we have two relationships. Gen code in the genre table to gen code in the games. Yeah, release now. And this is again double check gen code from genre table to gen code to in the games table. Enforce the integrity, and it is one too many. I think we need like to take screenshot. So again, just double click, take screenshot. Let me make it clear. Then take screenshot. Set it in the step number 14. I think we need another screenshot for the second relationship. Age code in classification to age code in the games. Age code in the classification to age code in the games, right? And it is one to many and create. Yeah, it's clear. So just, sorry, over the relationship. Yeah, now that's it. Take screenshot. Now paste it in the step number 14, I think. Yeah, below the first relationship, and that's it. Okay, okay, and close. Save. Now, let's check our step number 15. Add the following as a new record in the games table. Open the games. Go to create a new record from this one, new record. And just let's copy the fields names or the values. And here 2006. And here we have J6. And here let me copy this one. And here C3. Here creation arts. Here one 26. 0. Finish. So save now and close. Using fields from now we finish creating or inserting the new record. Now it's the time to create the query and reports. Using fields from the three tables produce a tabular report. Always, as we have here some criteria, we need to create query before creating the reports. So go to the create tab, go to the query wizard, simple query wizard. Now, for me, I used to choose the field that I need them in the criteria plus the field that I need them in the report. The first field that I need it in the criteria is the console type. So yeah, here we go. And release year. Then we need the game title. Game title. We need genre. I think it's here. Age category. See, they are from different tables. Release year already we added. Console type already we added. And rank. Where is the rank? Here. So again, I have game title, I have genre, sorry, and age category, and I have release year, I have console type and rank. Okay, next. And I prefer to name it as query one, modify to add the criteria, finish. Console type begins with the text Cyrus. So begins with the text Cyrus. So the beginning is Cyrus and whatever after it. So you have to set star. Means all the type should start with the word Cyrus, then whatever after it. How to express whatever by adding star. Release year is 2010 or later, means 2010 is included plus the years after 2010. How to write it? You have to write greater than. So here in the release year, you have to set greater than or equal to 2010. Okay, then run the query. We have 32 records matching that start with Cyrus, whatever after Cyrus, and the year is 2010 and more. Okay. Create the report. So create a report wizard. Use the query that already we created. I think we need all the fields, right? Release year plus console type. Yeah, so we need all, sorry, all the fields. Yeah, then next, make sure that all the fields in one box. So we don't need any types of grouping. Okay. And sort the data into ascending order of rank, ascending order of rank, ascending order of rank, and it should be portrait, the orientation. By default, it is portrait. Next. Now, I prefer to set the name of the report, the same name that should be or should appear in the title. Because if you set the same name here as if you named it with this name will appear also as a title. And that's it, finish. Now I will open the report using the layout. Don't know what happened to my keyboard. You have to open it in the layout view. So yeah, I can get it from here, layout view. Why I need the layout view? Because I need to arrange the fields. So the first field should be the game title, after the genre, and so on. So let's start, or let me take it a little bit here and make this one larger. Okay, so the first field should be game title. Game title here. Select the field, hold the control key, go to the next one, make it smaller. Don't worry about the width of the field. Later I will arrange it. Take the rank. Okay, so hold the rank. Game title. Hold the game. Then next, take it to the left side. Game title, then genre, then age. So console type. Let's make it smaller. Make it here a little bit. Then I need the genre. Make it smaller. Take it second one. age category. So the last one here, age category. Later I will adjust the width of the fields, but now just let me arrange the order of them. Release year, rank, sorry, console type, then rank. Console type, then rank. So rank should be the last one. Take it here. Now we can adjust the width. So rank, just let me make it larger. Console type also we need like to make it larger. Take it a little bit to the right. Then console here or release here. Make it wider. Take it a little bit to the right side. Of course, you have to make sure that all the fields are visible down, okay? And here category, make it larger. Take it a little bit to the right. Now genre, make it larger. Take it a little bit here. Make sure that all the fields are visible. And the game title, make it wider. I think genre should be smaller. Take it a little bit here. And the game title should be wider. Still, I need C. Hold the field name, then hold Control key, click over the next field, and you can select the whole. Okay, take it here. Still, I need to make the game title wider. So all the text should be visible. I think it's fine now. So again, game title, genre, and age category, the release year, the console type, then rank. No any type of grouping, and include only the latest Cyrus-sponsored games. Is fine in larger font size. It's large. Has your name, center number, candidate number on the report. So go to the here, right click over the design view. They want it in the report, so you can add it in the footer of the report here, and go to the design view, go to label, add your name, center number, and candidate number on the report. Save and print your report. Just double click to open and to check. Everything is fine, and that's it. We finished from the first report. Go to the second report, save and close. Using fields from the games table and classification, produce a tabular report. So we need another query. Okay. We need game title. And we need age code. Age code, we have a new field here. We will add it later, but we need game title, age category. Age category. And we need global sales. Game publisher, console type. Price. And the new field. Next. Query 2. Modify to add the query, the criteria. Game title includes the text Thomas. Include. So include means whatever before Thomas, whatever after the Thomas. I need the word Thomas to be included. Whatever before it, whatever after it. Whatever before it means you have to set star before Thomas. Whatever after it, you have to set star after Thomas. That's it. Age code is C3 or C7. Age code is C3 or C7. Okay. And we have to add a new field, which is percentage or sales percentage, which is calculated at runtime. This field will display the percentage sales for each game. The total number of games sold was 354. Use global sales divided by 354. So go to a new field here. Go to the builder from the design tab. Here set the name of the new field, which is sales percentage. Place it here. Set column. This field should be global sales divided by 354, then multiplied by 100. So it should be global sales. You have to delete this expression. Anyhow, it is divided by 354, then multiplied by 100. So divide and then multiply. That's it. Yeah. Now in the property sheet, you have to set the format because they set it format this field to display with 2 decimal places. Now you have to set it. It should be fixed. Run. Yeah, with 2 decimal places, just design a view. Number of decimal places to just run again. We have 32. Sorry, 42 reports matching that the game title includes the Thomas and age code C3 or C7. We save it, close. Now let's create the report from query 2. I think we need all the fields except age code. Yeah, age code, we don't need it. Next, all the fields in one box. We have 2 types of sorting, ascending order of console type. And ascending order the global sales. Again, ascending order of console type, descending order of global sales. Next, the orientation should be landscape. It's one single page. Includes the text. So this is the name of the report. And finish. Open it in the design view, layout view to order them. The first field should be game title, then age category. Age title, then let me make it smaller. Click over the field name, hold Ctrl key, click next and make it smaller. Versus smaller. Take it a little bit here to the right. Or let me make it here. No. Game title, age category. Game title. and إيش category. Let me make this, take it here. إيش category, take it to the left. Again, don't worry about the width of the face. Later I will adjust them. Just let me arrange them properly. إيش category, global sales. Yeah, correct. Then game publisher. Correct. Let's see. Take it to the left. Sponsor type. Price and sales. Nice. Okay, sales, just let me now adjust. We order them now, we need like to adjust the widths of them. So sales, before sales, I have price. Sorry, we get a little bit here. Then console type, make it larger. The right side. Just make sure that all the C here, we need to make it wider. Fine. Now the publisher wider. I think here more, not that much. Take it to the right side. Then here wider, wider to the right side. And then category wider. Each category wider. Take it to the right. And the last field game title also we need to make it wider, 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 wider. Not that much like that. Still we need I think it's fine now. Everything is visible. Fine. Calculate the average price and place it below the price columns at the end of the report. Format this value as currency with 2 decimal places. So the average price here. So we need, okay, we have to go to the design view. This is the price. Sorry for this. I'm sorry. For the price. Here is the price. You have to select the price. Go to the totals, select the average. Okay, it should be just take it a little bit. We have to set average game price, label. So we add label here. Now the average, we need like to adjust the format for the average to be currency with 2 decimal place. So it's from the property sheet, it should be currency. With 2 decimal place. And the last point here, add your name, center number, candidate number in the footer of the report so it appears in the same position of every page. Please add your name in the footer of the page, not to the report, because we need our name to appear on every page. So your name, center number, candidate number at the footer of the page. Now I think that's it. Let's have a look. Double click. Just have a look. This is the average of the price. It is below the price. Everything is visible. And the name here. Save and Save and print the report. Place in your evidence document, screenshot showing the database formula used to calculate the average. So again, go to the design view. Just take screenshot for this particular part, okay, and set it in the evidence file. And that's it. Thank you for listening.